So this video right here is all about how to find viral video ideas. And just to start, I want to tell you that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Literally, go. Let's say your niche is, general top tens. What you want to do is you want to go look at other general top 10 channels, see what their video ideas are, what are they posting. You can either you can take one of their ideas and do it for yourself, and obviously change it up, upload your own video, make the thumbnail a little different. Because chances are they're doing the same thing. A lot of these top 10 channels are actually getting ideas from one another. So when someone comes out with a very clever creative idea, which is what you should definitely be doing all the time, it usually gets taken pretty quickly. Like it's happened to a few of my channels. Actually, fun fact, one of my videos that went viral, Brightside, I don't know if you guys know that channel. It has 30 something million subscribers. They took my thumbnail idea and my video idea and they just reposted their own. I mean, it happens. The biggest people do it. The smallest people should do it too if they want to make a name for themselves. Anyways, so let's just type in, for example, biggest car, or let's look at fastest cars, for example. Also, guys, the clickbait of a video totally depends on your niche. Totally depends on the type of video you have. If you're more of a personal channel, like a personality channel, you should upload clickbait thumbnails like this, like right here, that shows your face, shows some emotion in your face, and then an action happening in the video. Like, for example, like SSS Sniper Wolf. So, her face is right here, showing some crazy emotion. Like, she's like, whoa, what the heck? And then there's also an action in the video showing some guy stepping on Legos with Lego shoes. I don't know. Anyways, that's something super clickbait. Now look at this right here. Now this is like a top 10 type video. Or an interesting fact video, which is 12 most incredible abandoned planes. That in itself is a really good thumbnail. It's just the thumbnail speaks for itself and it makes someone want to click on it. So guys, listen, when it comes to a thumbnail, it's all about emotion and quick decisions. If you can combine, emotion with urgency, then you're going to get clicks. That's simple as that. Actually, it's easier said than done, of course. But once you start uploading videos, once you start checking out other people's videos and how they get lots of views from their thumbnails, then you can eventually start learning how to do it. And it doesn't take too much to learn. For example, 10 creepiest things discovered in abandoned buildings. Honestly, chances are this that occurrence is either there's no way there's a shark in an abandoned building. So that's extreme clickbait, which works a lot of the times, and a lot of these bigger channels can get away with it, but sometimes it could get you into some trouble. So definitely be cautious with that, with putting things that aren't actually in the video. But then again, I'm not sure. I haven't watched the video. Maybe that occurrence is in the video. Or for example, let's keep going down. Well, honestly, the main focus of this course is, for example, information channels, top 10 channels, or channels where there's someone where you have a whole content creation team taking care of it, like script, voice, and then video. The idea is, this is kind of what I'm basing the advice that I'm giving you off of. So let's just type in, for example, a channel that does pretty good job would be, I'd say, Top Trending. They do a pretty good job of uploading pretty clickbait things. Let's just check it out. For example, look at this. Their most viewed video is 106 million. It's from 6 years ago, but it's 16 naughty facts about sex. Obviously, you're gonna have to put in something sexual in the thumbnail. But for that case, honestly, avoid sexual things. This is one of the things I talk about in this course. Is avoid sexual topics, avoid violent topics, and avoid blood and whatnot. But anyways, that's aside from the fact. Let's look at another channel. Top Trending actually doesn't have good examples that I'm trying to show you guys. I mean, it's crazy. Look at this channel. This guy has 5 million subs, and his videos only get 10,000 views, 24,000 views. Anyways, so let's go to, let's see, what's a good channel? Let me think of something real quick. Let's just, shoot, why is this so hard? The Supreme. Let's just go to Supreme. This is a good channel. They post super clickbait things, super eye-catching, and a lot of their videos hit. So what you do is, you come to the video and you just look what you do is you come to a channel, you come to sort by, you click most popular, and then you look at their videos and see what hit for them. And obviously look for the things that have been posted most recently. So you see these are 1 year ago, 2 years ago, and then you see one that's 11 months ago kind of recently, 9 months ago, even more recently. And so you see the ones that have been posted recently and have gone super viral are the ones that you should kind of replicate. So if I were you, I would come to this page right here and just look at their ideas. Kind of look at 15 smallest vehicles with powerful engines. Look at that thumbnail. That is a great thumbnail. It shows huge toy truck that has a powerful engine, and this looks like the kids getting in it. That's pretty clickbait. And it was uploaded 6 months ago, so this video topic looked like it did really well. And also, you don't have to do exactly what they're doing. So like you can see how it says like 15 smallest vehicles with powerful engines. You could do something similar like that, like 15 smallest houses, or like 15 smallest airplanes with powerful engines, or like something like that. Just like base your ideas off of other people's viral ideas. And for example, right here, like 15 extreme industrial machines ever made. That's a great topic. Basically, anything where you can make a list of for this type of niche would work great. So now this is a general top 10 channel, and these nowadays are hard to lift up off the ground. So that's why I'd say if you're going to do a top 10 type channel, you do it even more niche down. So like this guy's doing everything. Like he's doing river monsters, he's doing creepy things, he's doing cars, he's doing vehicles, he's doing space, he's doing everything. So what I would do if I were you is like do 10 crazy things within a specific niche. For example, like let's talk about cars. Like you can make so many videos, like general information topics about videos. Like you could do like 10 fastest electric cars in the world, or like something like that, like 10 what is it, water powered engines you didn't know exist. For example, like obviously like maybe water cars don't exist. I'm not exactly sure like water powered cars. I don't think that does. Anyways, you get the idea. Come up with something super emotional, super informative, and obviously like you got to think about the topic. You say like, is this a boring topic? Like, is this topic something that I would watch, or even something within the niche, someone within the niche would watch? So let's check out one more channel. Let's just have a top 10. This is usually how I do it. Not this channel because they actually have like a face to it, but let's just click the channel filter on YouTube, and let's just click top 10 nerd. Let's see what they do. So look, this is what I'm talking about. Like this person is doing a top 10 channel, but within a specific niche. And it looks like his happens to be superheroes. So he does like top 10 most powerful female superheroes, top 10 worst things Catwoman has done, things like that. And I can't really give you like much clickbait about these because like anime all around is usually clickbait, like the thumbnails and like just, you get what I'm saying. Let's look at top 10s right here. Let's see what they post. So it looks like these guys are kind of like a general top 10, just like we saw on the Supreme. And we see that this channel actually adopted their own thumbnail theme. So in it, it looks like it's working pretty well for them. So essentially what you can do is, once again, come to these big channels and click sort by, and then most popular, and then just check out what worked for them best most recently. So all these are pretty old, like 6 years, 4 years, 4 years, 2 years. We want something like that has months in the title. You know what I mean? So let's keep going down. It might take some time. And obviously the more recent the video is released, the better, because that means chances are you're going to be better off uploading the video. And also, yeah, so next video I'm going to be talking about how to kind of make your thumbnails clickbait, your videos clickbait, and title and all that. So I hope you guys kind of got the gist of this. The idea is like, you can come to channels that are already doing great and you can get video ideas. And also one more thing, actually, you can get video ideas. You can go to yahoo.com or even any other website that writes articles, and you can just kind of get some ideas from it. Like they even have these categories. Like let's say you're sports and you want to post like sports news videos. You can actually come get some topics from here, like trending news videos or trending news topics. And you can even find like general top 10 videos that you could post. And guys, one thing I didn't really touch on earlier is like the goal is to upload evergreen topics. Like evergreen topics are videos where essentially like they don't have a shelf life. You can upload it now and it'll be just as relevant 5 years from now versus something that's trending like news topics that won't be popular or relevant at all within like a week or a month. So make sure you try to go for topics that are trending, or not trending, excuse me, evergreen, because that will give you the most bang for your buck for the long term. And the goal is long-term thinking right here. We're not trying to do any short-term thinking. But yeah, once again, going back to getting the topics is you can go to Yahoo. So let's see. Let's actually see what other, like right now we're on sports. Let's back out. Man, let's kind of go to some other sort of topics. Let's see. I don't even know, like, not news. We can do entertainment. Let's see what entertainment has to say. And essentially, you surf through sites, you will find good ideas. I promise you. And then just way they come up with ideas. Like you can, like for example, on the top 10s channel, like you can like for example like read this 10 shocking results from DNA ancestry tests. So this video is specifically about DNA ancestry tests, but you can replace DNA ancestry tests with something else like top 10 shocking results from experiments ran by like something, you know what I mean. Just get creative, grab their topic and filter out some of the words, replace them with something else to make it kind of unique. But at the same time, you can just straight up take their idea, but of course, upload your own video, upload your own thumbnail. So this is kind of like a left and right messy crash course on how to find business or find video topics. And honestly, that's how I do it. I just go to channels within my niche. I find what is working for them and what isn't, and then I replicate. That is it. That's kind of like a quick summary. Find what's working for other big channels within your niche and then replicate. That's about it.